Okay, so hello guys, today I will gonna tell you how to install a software to make a Windows look like Windows 11 or change your theme. So let's continue the video. For that, you need to go open your browser, go on the search bar, type start 11. Okay, here's from the start dock you can install here. Click on try free version. You can use it. As soon it will start to install. Let us wait for a few minutes. It begins to install. Now guys, then you have to install it. Okay, then install. But I have already installed it, so no problem. I will back. Go into your start menu. Here will be your start 11 app. It is installed. Open it. Now you will get this window. See, now you will get this window will appear on your screen. So you continue your this enable, click on this and just enable. But it will ask your Gmail ID. Just you enter it, and then in your Gmail, in your phone or computer, go and Gmail. Then there will be enable 30 days free trial. Click on it and you are enabled. Now you can select any style. Like I have selected Windows here. Like it is like here. You can select many another options, like here are enable here. You can enable like this, and you click on it. This will change like this, and then this, if I go on this, it will change look like this. It will look like this, like okay. Or if you go 7 Windows 10 style, then you know how it is, and then 10, 11, etc. And you can also change from start button. You can install another PME and put it here to change. But I have already installed Windows 10 drivers. Because I have already installed Windows 11, so I don't need to do that. I have already Windows 11 I have installed on my computer. I just customize the start menu like this, install, and you are done. And then just take a simple restart and your work is done. Give a like or subscribe if this for this software. And I know, because when your work is done, you just get out and don't subscribe our channel. So please subscribe for much support. Thank you. See you in the next video.